Mitchell goes bowling. Mitchell always knocked things down. That's just how he rolled. He even tried to knock down his dad. Slam! But one Saturday, when Mitchell was doing his thing, his dad caught him and put him in the car. Mitchell didn't know where they were going, but when they got there, he felt right at home. There were lots of brightly colored balls, a good pizza smell, and giant crashing noises. Mitchell got special shoes, too. "Lane 4," the man said. "That's how old I am," said Mitchell. Then he got to type in his name. Mitchell picked the biggest ball. He threw it. "That's called the gutter," his dad said. Mitchell didn't like the gutter. He was curious about where his ball had gone, until it popped right out at him. "You get to go again," said his dad. Mitchell rolled and knocked 2 down. "Battle on," said Mitchell. He just knew he was going to win. Then it was his father's turn. He backed all the way up, swooshed toward the line, and did a little kick with his leg. "Strike!" said his dad. All the pins had gone down, and his dad got an X. "Oh," said Mitchell. On Mitchell's second turn, he did the leg kick too, but the ball only went a little, so Mitchell ran after it. The lane was slippery. That's when the people next door asked for a new lane. On his next turn, Mitchell tried kicking his other leg. "3," said his dad. "Nice." Mitchell's dad got another X and did a steamin' hot potato dance. It was his turn again, and Mitchell got a whole side down. He did a double steamin' hot potato dance. Then he knocked another pin down. But he was pretty sure he was still losing. Mitchell's dad put his hands over the blowing machine. He rolled and got another X. So on Mitchell's turn, he dried his hands, his face, and his hair, then stuck his fingers in the holes and did the leg kick. He only knocked 3 down. "Fine," said Mitchell. He really, really wanted an X. He didn't get any on the next few frames. Mitchell really wanted to win, so when he picked up his next ball, he yelled, "Awaa!" He threw. He prayed. Nothing. "I'm going home," Mitchell said. And that's when Mitchell's dad said, "Hey, want to be on the same team?" Mitchell thought for a second. With his dad, he couldn't lose. He wanted an X. He wanted to win. "Deal," said Mitchell. Mitchell and his dad dried their hands, picked up the ball, swung their arms all the way back, and they did a little kick. Shee! Plunk! That ball went sailing right down the middle and strike! They did a triple steamin' hot potato dance with salsa. Then Mitchell looked his dad right in the eyeballs and said, "Battle on!" And that's just what they did.